saw one of my earlier videos, you know I love me some Zartan. This one right here is my original one from childhood. Of course he's missing his little knee pads there. But the problem with Zartan is, he breaks a rubber band, he's sealed because he had that color changing stuff in his plastic. So I think they glued him together or something. But I fixed him. I just recently saw Master Toy Repair, Toy Polloi. He's working on a Zartan. He figured out a different way to replace the rubber band because he didn't know how to crack it open. But I do know how to crack it open, so here's going to be one of my videos. I successfully did it with this figure right here. Here's the ones I got that don't need rubber bands, including, look at this one, he's complete. He's got his knee pads, he's even got the little sticker thing. And this guy right here, he just needs his knee pads and he doesn't have his stickers, but he's complete. These guys didn't need new rubber bands, so I didn't want to crack them open. What you're going to do, you're actually going to cut along the seam. If you do it right, you only have a little bit of a jagged edge around the one seam, but if he has his chest plate on, you're not really going to see that. So you should be able to do this with just a simple X-Acto knife, and the little part where his chest plate, you cut in there and then you cut along the side. And it should be able to pop off. I don't remember exactly when I did this, but there's no other real cuts along the seams here. You can also dig in there, another thing, cut from there, and should be able to pop off very easily. I'm going to try it again on this figure because he's in pretty rough shape. His rubber band is barely hanging on, and why not? I'm going to do it again, cut right in there, and then try if I need to cut a little more up through there and there. Alright, I'm nervous, but I'm doing this on film. Alright, here we go. He's softer plastic than regular GI Joes, so you don't really worry about him shattering. Cutting, a little tough. There, he's in. This might take a while. I'm also worried about cutting my fingers. Oh, got a good cut all the way in. And get the other side. Oh, went right in that time. And try and get along the seam. That's easier. Get that out of the way. See what I'm doing? You know what I forgot to do? Take a screw out. Don't want to be prying them open and he's stuck together with the screw. Cleaner you get along the seam, the less of a dig it's going to look like that. So you want to do as clean as possible. Like that side I got. Looks pretty good. Oh, all the way to the end. Alright. This might be the best one I ever did. Alright, now we're going to go up to the top. Cut them open all the way. Ta-da! Did it. Only took 15 minutes. Jeez. Alright, then we'll put them back together. Look, my seams came out really good. Came out really good. Look, you could push them together, look. Not bad. Alright, let's put them back together now. Now, I wouldn't do this for like a pristine mint one, but for the beater figure, that came out pretty damn good. Look, you can't... Take that, Toy Polloi. Actually, you're actually one of my heroes online, so okay. No offense. Yeah, now that I've fixed them, if I ever find another crotch online on eBay, I could switch it out pretty damn easy, but came out pretty damn good.